Hi everyone, at IKEA today, shopping with my two sisters. So I'm going to bring you guys around to see what things they have. It's been a while since I've been at IKEA. I don't live close to one. So yeah, it's a treat when we come. So let's see. This is a great plant stand, don't you think? These are very cute too.
I was just thinking of some. I like those little containers.
The stand is $20 and these little clear jars $10. I'm not sure if it's $10 for one or for the whole set. But very cute. Today they're celebrating IKEA's 75th anniversary and there's a bunch of activities going on. So yeah, too bad I didn't bring my kids. If I have known, they would have enjoyed it. This is a cute little greenhouse. Plastic. $20. Very cute. This is very cute. You can use it to water root your cuttings. You see online on Instagram and all these other social media how everyone's using stuff like this. So cute. But the problem is, look at everything is sold separately. So the stand costs $11 and the tubes are $17. Kind of pricey. So if you're an IKEA member, make sure you stop by at the cafe and get yourself a free coffee. IKEA now has a lot of these faux plants. It's like more and more of them. Oh look it, they even have a fake Pelia plant. How funny. Is this supposed to be a begonia? I don't know. Yeah. Am I pronouncing it correctly? And I purchased one recently. You guys probably already seen it in the haul. But yeah, I think it is. The pattern is like this one, right? Isn't this cute? And look at this one in the back. So yeah, it seems like there's a lot of plants here today, but not all are that in good condition. Look at this poor plant. Snake plants, ZZ plant, jade, more snake plants. How do you call this? I totally forgot.
No. What is this? Is this the moonshine?
Yeah, moonshine. I got one of these.
It doesn't get big?
All plants get big.
Well, the one you gave me doesn't get big. Just to make sure.
Oh, look at bamboo.
So I just realized there's a sign that tells you how much these plants cost. Because
there's no prices listed on these pots. But yeah, Erica is interested in one of these. Which one?
this one looks like it has more.
Okay. New growth. Oh, but is this new growth?
Yeah, there's some new growth in here too, so I'm not sure. I guess this one, since it has more.
But look at this. Dried tips.
Yeah. The tips on the left look a little better. What do you think?
I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one has like nice big ones, you know what I'm trying to say? I think I like this one more. And it comes with 2 little ones.
Alright, this one has better chips. I'll get that one. They were selling for 80.
Erica's trying to convince me to buy one of these.
Yeah, she wanted one of these at the other nursery, but it was like $85. It's only like 25 here.
You know what? My husband already complained this morning because my plants were blocking his grill. So if I were to bring this, I don't think he's gonna be too happy.
Yeah, it's only 25.
You know what? I like this one. I don't know, it's because it's short.
Is this one?
$40. Look at this. Awesome. And this is another. Is this the same one? No, actually, it might be. Yeah. And palms. I think the palms are $15. Is this the money tree? 25. And I love these terracottas. I think it's around $4 and you get the tray and this. Actually, the bigger one might be 5. This is 4. Oh, and look at this. It's kind of cute, and it comes with a some kind of trellis. And these are new this year, I think. The only problem is no drainage holes. And I don't think it's terracotta material. Doesn't feel like it. Here's another pot that has a little trellis. Really cute. Terracotta material, but no drainage holes. The greenhouse again, and on top is a grow light. The light bulb is $10, and the wire, actually, no, the wire is $7, and there's different types of bulbs. So yeah, seems kind of pricey. I mean, I'm sure I can get it cheaper elsewhere. There's these plastic little pots that comes with liners. I thought they were pretty cute. So I think it's $5. Comes in 2 different sizes, a small and a big. Cute, right? And yeah, this is how they styled it. And also, since I'm here, I want to mention these self-watering pots. I do not like. Yeah, they're expensive, like $20. Yeah, $20, and they don't work that well. Well, for me at least. Yeah. So yeah, we're back home, and we all got a little something. But I'm sure you guys only care about the plant-related items. So, Elaine, my younger sister, got this snake plant. I believe this is the moonshine. How much was it? $7? $6? 8. And then at $8, which is great because I think it has 6 separate little growth. Yeah. So Erica and I got one of these. Also some kind of snake plant variety. These were actually the only 2 left. Don't have an exact name.
If you guys know, let us know.
Yeah, but these were a little bit more expensive, $10. Erica got this.
It's also $10.
Also $10.
Also a little growth grown.
Yep.
Look at the pot is like deformed because it's like so tightly packed. So I'm gonna have to give it a bigger pot.
So yeah, that's another type. Oh,
I don't think that's the right name, but
is it? Oh, no. So yeah, snake plants are great plants if you have low, medium light situations in your house, and also great beginner plants because they really don't require much care. The only way you can really kill them is by overwatering it. So yeah, highly recommend these. And also, like I mentioned many times in the past, another reason why I love these plants is because they clarify the air purifiers. Love them. Okay, so we got these pots. I believe this is $4.99 and these are $3.99. Again, great terracotta pots which have drainage holes and a saucer, so can't beat that. So I got a big and a medium and a small, and so did Erica. I got a hanging basket.
It's a plastic liner.
How much was it?
$7.99.
$7.99. Yeah, I got it because it's light. Clay balls. I don't know how else to say them. Erica got these for her orchids.
And that's it for the plant
Yeah,
stuff.
that's all for the plant stuff. Yeah, we got some random stuff. Can't leave IKEA without cinnamon buns. And this I did not buy, but it was in a parking lot, and I guess it broke, and whoever purchased it didn't want it anymore. But it broke into 3 clean pieces.
And I pick it up.
No, I don't want you to cut yourself.
Like,
yeah,
this is one big piece.
Yeah, so I can easily glue it back. So I was like, why waste it, you know? So yeah, I took it. So yeah, this is our IKEA haul. And I hope you guys enjoy our walk around. And again, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and hope to see you guys all soon. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye.
So this is the IKEA pot. Let's try to glue it back up. This is old glue. I'm not even sure if it's going to come out. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit. And once it's dry, I'll sand off the sharp edges from the outside and maybe use some other kind of sealant to try to seal the pot up in the inside. But you know what, even if it doesn't completely seal, that's fine. I'll just treat it like a drainage hole, right? So the water can seep out quicker. So again, I'm using the Gorilla Glue that bonds wood, stone, metal, ceramic, foam, glass, and more. And for this one, mine is pretty old, so that's why it's so sticky and thick. So I'm not sure if a brand new one might be different in texture. But yeah, I glued one of my other pots together, and what I've learned is once I use this, you don't need much, because the glue does, when it dries, it expands, and when it expands, it just comes out everywhere and it kind of looks nasty. Hold on, let me show you how it looks, okay? So yeah, this is my other pot that my daughter actually broke, and I was able to glue it back. Okay, you can't really tell. Actually, you can. See? You see here? And here? You can see it better inside. So as you can see, once the glue dries, it kind of foams up, and that's how it seals up the broken pieces. So that's why I didn't know, so I put a little too much here, and that's why it squeezed and foamed out. That's why some of the glue came out. But you know what? At least I still have a pot to use, right? I mean, just turn it this way. You can't even tell it's broken. And again, I found this at the IKEA parking lot. Again, you can't tell it's broken if you have it facing this side. But even if it's not, whoops, it's not dry yet, but it's not that bad, right? Ooh. Okay, I shouldn't move it around. I have to wait for it to dry. So yeah, Gorilla Glue works great.